back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my new vacuum cleaner. It's a Titan vacuum cleaner. It's 20 litres, 1400 watts, and it's wet and dry vacuum. So if you have any water spilled on the floor or anything and there's a mess, you don't have to worry. You can just use this vacuum cleaner and it will suck it all up. It's the description. It says it's got a blower function, instantly converts your vacuum into a powerful blower, and it's got a wet and dry function for vacuuming or wet and dry areas, and it's convenient whenever there's mess. So let's begin unboxing the vacuum cleaner. It's a heavy duty vacuum cleaner. It's like a industrial vacuum cleaner. So let's see. So that's the cable, and these are the wheels to go with it. So I think we should attach this on later when we fix it, when we assemble the vacuum. So this is the instruction booklet, or the warranty booklet, I think. It's got a handle and it's got an unlock button as well on the top. Pipe is coming in 3 sections, so we just need to join this all up. That's that, and this is the front bit to go with it. Quite small from the front, so I don't know whether it's going to pick it up. So I think the pipe must be inside it. Yes, it's inside. And it's got the vacuum cleaner bag as well for it. So this is the dust bag. So you just need to place this into the drum, and then you just need to put it in here. And then we just need to place this on top. This is the filter just for normal vacuuming, so all the dust goes inside it. So you just need to place this like this. And when you need to do water suction, you need to change the filter. You just need to open the drum, and then you just need to take this out. Take this out, and then you just need to put this in. This will absorb all the liquid. Just like that, and then all the water will be absorbed in there, and then you just need to place it like before, and then just need to just vacuum away all the water or spillage. And as you can see, all the water has been absorbed very well. There's no water at all. And so the machine has done a good job. I've just clipped the wheels in. It's got 4 wheels. Just clip them in. And then once you have finished cleaning, then you just need to put it around the vacuum cleaner, the cable, and then just like this. And